How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch you guys precise bottoms and tops in the stock market. And this ticker I'm going to talk about has a lot of hype. We got the earnings, it says here, on 424. So I just want to go over what I see here on the charts, the technical analysis, and how you can make massive money on this ticker as long as you get in precise entries and know where these reversals are happening, because they do happen religiously on this stock. And I just want to let you guys know I am eyeing this, but I'm going to show you some key features. And for all the premium subscribers, thanks for supporting me. Thanks for watching again. I promise you, the more you watch this, the more you're going to learn. And for the new subscribers, do keep in mind we have a premium Discord. It's one of the best in the nations. It's only $6 a month, and you'll get my exact entries and exits within a system that I'm about to show you, just like this, that has over 95% win ratio of making you guys consistently profitable month after month. I'll put that link into YouTube comments below, and then YouTube description. You don't want to miss out, guys. And like I said, if you don't like it, it's $6. You know, you wasted, what, a cup of coffee? I'm telling you, if you're putting big money in this market, you're going to want to learn this strat. So, what we have is the three bands. People might say, or the upper, the bottom, and then two middle bands. People might think these are Bollinger Bands. These are not. These are going to be your average true range, where we look for, where does price look for a correction. I don't care if I get the absolute bottom. As you can see, when I looked in to get at this stock right down in here, it was not the absolute bottom because it went down more. But let me tell you this, though. If you bought down in this range, besides the closing candle, you can get well more than this. This was a 100% mover right here. Who's not happy with that? And I'm going to show you guys why this was alerted in the system. So if you look at the candles here, these are daily. And look at all these red candles in a row. And so it was like insane. People are just getting melted, right? But we have a system. When you don't look at this system, you see like this. There's nothing to it. You're trying to just like catch a falling knife. But we kind of know where these trend reversals are. And if you're trading penny stocks, you need to know this. And, matter of fact, any stock. But as you can see, we hit the EMA 10, which is this yellow band. I'm going to show you guys why it's so important to follow time distance. So if we hit the yellow band on 1/30/2024, you can see that on my chart. It says January 30. When you go one day over it, right here, you physically do not see it touching the yellow band. That means you have 1 day of time distance. And the reason why that is so important to have time distance, I look for 2 to 3 weeks of time distance, because if something does not hit that yellow band, the EMA 10, in 1 month time frame, that is extremely rare. So we try to look for entries about 2 weeks of time distance with close to the bottom band. And guess what we have here? We have 1 day here, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 weeks. And then we get one more here. And I'm going to show you guys how you can get the most precise entry. And that is going to follow with the K on the KDJ. When you hover over this candle, I say anything less than 5 is really good, right? That's when you're looking for this reversal. Look at what it's at right now. And you guys have to install this indicator. These 3 indicators used correctly will give you massive results, right? You cannot use just one indicator and hope everything works. I have a whole video on how to set it up, but as you can see, we have 4.84 on the KDJ right in here. And so that gives me a signal, okay, not only are we getting precise entries, we should get a bounce, but where do we get our bounce is the next question, which is this EMA 10 and then the EMA 20, the blue line. Look what we hit right in here to a T. So if you got it right here, let's just say 20 cents. And I have a very nice accumulation rules, 20 cents to 28, massive gains, and then 28 to 36. 20 cents to 36 is almost 100%, right? So what my role is, we want to make sure we have time distance. EMA 10 is a conservative target. If you didn't know, that is where downtrends usually bounce their head. And then the EMA 20 is, where it's like, bam, this is hard resistance. Unless they can go above that EMA 20, we can have an uptrend. But I don't want to find that out. I want to take those gains. So what I like to do is I like to sell 3/4 of my position on that EMA 10 and hold 1/4 of that position to the EMA 20 and put a stop loss right at my entry that I alerted at. So that way I can try to write up most of this gain as much as possible, right? So it's a beautiful strategy because we know where to buy, we know when to enter and know when to exit. and when you're using time distance with KDJ and these ATRs. So right in here, same example, time distance. We know price has to hit the EMA 10 and 20. I promise you that it will. Look at any chart. I'm telling you guys, take the time because it will hit it. Bam, bam, and bam. Bam, bam, and bam. It's just constantly hitting it. And look at this. Another solid play. This right here is just telling you guys, how powerful this system is. EMA 10 touch here. But we don't just base it on time distance without, close to bottom band. This was not 2 weeks. As you can see, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This was a 5-day touch or close to it. We're going to ignore it because it's only 1 week. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 days in a trading week. So 2 weeks, not even clear to the lower band. But look at this. We go about 3 weeks. And look at this, guys. We have K on 3.73. I would have alerted this candle. Would have bagged, would have made more entries right in here when the K was 2.85. And guess what? To a T, we hit the EMA 10. And we had to hit the EMA 20, which is usually kind of a longer term, but it can hit it right away. Guess what happens? We hit the EMA 20. You can't make these up because these are algos doing it. Look at this, to a T, and then falls back down. If you wanted to get in again, you could. And then to a T, hits the EMA 20, and falls back down. This is happening time after time again. Back test this. I'm telling you, you guys are going to be like, wow, I wish I had this strategy a long time ago. And you would have been profitable. You wouldn't be losing like 90% of the traders. And trust me, I got tired of losing, so I spent over 6 years to do this. So let's look at the current data. Right now, we have a lot of red candles, right? I mean, it's just been constantly going down, right? But where do we want to buy? We have the time distance on April 10th. We have our first day here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 weeks. Okay. If this was near the bottom band, I would absolutely buy it. But just based on time distance, I cannot take this trade because there's not much room to the EMA 10 here. There's a little more to the EMA 20, but for the risk versus reward, it's just not there. I want to see as close as possible to the lower band, and I want to see time distance is there, and then I want to see a low K on the KDJ at 6.29. So you guys kind of see what I'm kind of looking at. This is a general idea of how to catch reversals. Let's catch the reversals before they happen, because when this candle happens right here, guess what? Your risk of bag holding is tremendous. And look how scary this is. If you bought it in here and couldn't happen to sell throughout this area, you're done. These pennies leave no mercy for people. Just like this. If you bought up in this top here and you didn't see this system, why we never buy at EMA 20, you're done. It goes down. This is why when you're looking at this, if you're seeing this, you're not seeing what I see. You're probably like, okay, right here we have a lot of down candles. Okay, this should be the pump then. It's looking kind of similar to that pattern. No, it's not. It's totally different. So I just want you guys to be aware. I want you guys to be very successful. And like I said, if you take the time to join my Discord, I will make you successful. For only $6 a month, I will spend my time. So what you guys want to do, if you want to join the premium Discord. Down below, click the YouTube comments. I have a pinned comment that says, join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. And when you click that I pinned in my YouTube comments and description, you'll be taken to this free chat landing page. This does not mean you're a subscriber. I'm going to walk you through for a brief second. What you do is go to the subscriptions tab. Under here, it says subscriptions where I clicked. Hit premium chat. When you click on premium chat, it will opt you to subscribe. Remember, I know times are rough, and I'm only going to make this $6. I'll never increase it. And the reason why is so any account can do it. You will save a little more money if you do it on your computer, okay? If you do it on your computer, it avoids the iOS fee. If you do it on your phone, it'll charge a little more. So, guys, this is it. This is ticker FFIE. It's not in my buy signal yet. I will alert it when it does, and I really hope to see you guys in the Discord, and I want to see as many successful people as, trading. I get it, trading is hard. Over 90% lose. That's a fact. But you could be part of that small group that wins. Also, guys, if you enjoyed this video, my analysis, my price predictions, do take the time to give the video a like, subscribe and comment. Those any type of engagement helps the video to be spread out to more people, and it helps me want to make more videos. Thank you so much, guys. I'm Reversal Trader King. I've been doing this system for over 6 years. I hope you have confidence in it, and I'd like to see you in there in the Discord so I can help as many people as possible. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next video.